في الممات.
Assalamu alaikum. Alhamdulillah. Brother just asked me the question about the Bitcoin and what's the price and how I'm thinking the price is. And I said to him the best way is like to give him the picture, the way I'm thinking, how the Bitcoin will play and how I'm planning to do it, and we can share the ideas. And because we have to make a plan into different categories, I mean that we have to decide to know that long term, middle term, and short term. Okay, and our decision on the market is according to or we put a trade according to what we plan, like is this a long-term trade and it is what we expect in the market to do, and short-term trade and what you short-term what you were expecting and what you want to take from the market. Okay, and what risk you take it and the probability for you to be right, because we have to understand the market is nobody know for sure 100%. Nobody in this world at the moment. Okay, no rich person, no poor person. That's what's good thing about the market. Nobody actually know exactly what the market will play. Okay, because the battle all the times. So what I'm going to show around, and I will start with, let's go with the daytime, give you the whole big pictures. Okay, and this is from 2017. I take it from 2017 to now. So what's happened is, as we see that I have a two trend line, this line, this pink line, and this triple line. This is a two trend line. This is a long-term trend line. Okay, so like you see this one from 2017. So I draw all the way from 2017 all the way until where it touch all the way up. So connected from this area and connected last time few months, which is February 2019, when Bitcoin touched the bottom for this time, and all the way just go around. And then we have that one which is called trend line for the top. So I draw that all the way to the top, and last time which was around 2000, and this is a pound, it's not in dollars. So if you trade in dollars, I mean, if you draw, you will get nearly the same. Try to draw in your chart what you traded, and it will be easy for you to know this picture. So this is a long term. So you will see that there's this two pink line. So you make this one like triangle there. If you look from that one, this is where the Bitcoin play. Okay, so it's long term. We look at this play. Okay, so on this play, it shows that Bitcoin come all the way to this trend line, and it touch it two times, yeah, and then it just bounce. So what is bounce here? Theoretical, this bounce will come all the way to this bounce will come all the way to here. Okay, this bounce. Let me tell you what is the movie until now. What is shown that the movie is there. This, let's take a start here. That's come one, came down here. Now it just touch that one and then bounce, and we expect it to come that way and that, and we're gonna get another move from here. So this is the move which is the Bitcoin is shown from this triangle perspective in theory. So this move here now, it hit it, and the Bitcoin price respected that trend line and bounced back to, and now it's going down. So what I did was look at what the price do, and what the price did, that it come all the way here and bounce. It stop here on this long-term trend line. This one also the trend line, which is another trend line, which is long-term trend line, that I go like 6 of them, but I just leave it 2. So because these 2 were our prices, but I go price which is Bitcoin respected so many time is touching. Okay, so you will see that he bounced to this main one and then come back to this one here, another trend horizontal trend line, and it acted here as a support. So because this work support and it just now bounce to a little bit, this is the area which we're talking about. So what I realized when he was doing this way here and it couldn't go through, so straight away I know that it will play around this is a trend line. But he didn't do that. He just did that. He did this one. When he do the third one, that one, I draw this one is a channel. So I draw this channel. And then since then, the Bitcoin respect this channel here. These 2 lines, that one and that one. This is a channel. So this channel, I will expect it will take the Bitcoin all the way to the bottom down here. Okay, so if we're looking here at the moment now, the Bitcoin in the channel, you touch it, come back, you touch again, come back, active support, he went there, resistance again, and since then he come again, he support the channel here again, and got up a little bit, but it come back and touch again the same channel, and now it's on the way up. And if we look at I think it's best way, let's do like a 4 hours. Now when you see that in the 4 hours, you can see very clear this channel I draw. Yeah, and this is channel which is I'm looking 4 hour period. That's a channel which is I'm trading this one. Okay, so the other one is long-term one, and this is my middle one, and that's our channel I'm trading. I have this channel and I have this trend line. Okay, this is the middle one. If that Bitcoin break this line, then we're gonna go down to this channel, more confirmation. Okay, so now the channel reach here, it came and touched that this around this area, and then the price come down and it come this way again and it come down again. So what's happening is I'm thinking I was thinking to trade short-term trade, which is my short-term trade. It was one just to trade this move here. So I expect that this move that Bitcoin will come this way and it will play around here, and then it will go to test again this trend line. This is a pink trend line here, which is an O, will come straight away to this trend line. Okay, so until now this move Bitcoin didn't do yet. Okay, so what it tells us here, what it tells is very simple, and this is what I'm thinking. As you may either get this here, which is 9%, come and touch this channel. So this short-term move, which is I did, it didn't work out, and like you see here, I traded here, I bought it, and really the price didn't shoot what I'm thinking, because I would think I would get at least like 5, 6, 7% and come out. Then I will come back to buy Bitcoin at let me show you what I'm trying to do, because I'm thinking the Bitcoin will stay on this channel. So I'm trying to the top of that. Yeah, so this is just say, give me a second. I don't know if you understand my point, but after I do that, you'll understand. Yeah. this for now. Okay, so I have about this box here. Okay, so that box here, I put it. That's the area which is I can, when Bitcoin will reach this area, I will start to buy for accumulation for the next leg. Okay, it's because it will come, the Bitcoin I was expecting to come. So that the box will not gonna be. Let's see. Yeah. So this area, all the way to this area, I'll buy Bitcoin and come to this area, back to this area. So I'm just waiting, and it's gonna be like come back. That's 16. The total is around 20%, 25%. So when the Bitcoin starts to shoot all the way down, come in this area, I'll buy when the way my entry for the trade, if you give me the pattern or things which is I like to go in, then I will enter in this area. So short term, I have a trade here to expect to get a 3, 5 to 7 point up to here. Then the Bitcoin, if it doesn't do it, it will come back all the way down. So I will be out here, yeah, and it will come all the way down, which I'm expecting going to be all the way to this trend line back again. So this is the whole pictures, which is I'm thinking the Bitcoin will do. So if it break this one here, then it will come and touch back here, which is possible. Maybe it will break all the way. Okay, you know what? Let me show you what if the we will. Let's see. You see, just wait. I mean, this is higher. Yeah, and this one is a higher at the moment, higher, low. Okay, so we got a lower, then we got high, we got high, lower, and this one now at the moment where I stand, it become like a lower, higher. So if that's the case, at the moment, the Bitcoin show us the move it did. This one is a lower higher. It means that is a trend, is a downtrend. But at the bottom, it shows that is a higher, low. So it means that this area is higher than the last one. Now, at the moment, I'm looking the Bitcoin here is a downtrend, and this is lower, higher. But in case we have a shooting here, so what the Bitcoin do? It doing this way. So see, come there, do that, and then this is what it wasn't doing that. It was gonna do that. Then this move here, once it breaking here, then it will go like that. Okay, and then come there, and then we're gonna shoot it there. Anyway, let's just say, so what about this end? But now, you see here, it will start this way, come all the way higher, you make it then higher, low. So we was expecting here to get a higher, to get another higher, meaning like the price of Bitcoin to go higher than this price. But at the moment, Bitcoin come to here and it form lower, higher. But this is not 100% because we don't know. We just assume that this is lower, higher because that's what is signed. The market tells this is lower, higher. So what this one here, we look at maybe this movement, this small movement. That's why I make a small trend line here. this movement here, it doesn't mean is this movement reverse going down. No. This is just Bitcoin take a break before it's going this leg up. So the possibility of this leg to break all the way and to break this last time higher, then once it's breaking here, it break this one to break to here now, then it will cancel this one. Then this one is not going to be here anymore. This one is not going to be here anymore, because this one now it will be what? We will not use this one, so we're going to use this one, this leg, which is high. But until the Bitcoin break to this line here, this trend line, we will assume, or we will think the market tell us this is lower higher, so the Bitcoin going down. So then we're gonna get this one, it may gonna go all the way down and passing here and come down, more down. We don't know, but at the moment this will take as a lower higher, and this one will take a high low. Okay, if that one break here, this one will cancel, then we will wait the result, how far the Bitcoin will go. And when it come down this way, then you expect it, if the Bitcoin come down, you will expect in the price to close the price below this area. So you expect the price is gonna be below this one. So with the price, it's very cheap, which is, I don't think that price will come back, that price. I don't think the Bitcoin will come back and doing this move. That's why, and to come like a 2000, or yeah, which is, I think he's not gonna do that. That's why most possibility is that this price here to come down, this is just you take a breath, and then it will shoot it to higher than what it went before. So that one was 15,000. So probably we will see like a 20 to 25,000. But that's just, all these things, it's just probability, what the market tells us. But and we go this one,